Okay, so we're gonna start with integrity class. Okay, integrity kids, ada kan di sini? I'm going to choose someone. Okay, and then if I choose your name, please read, baca ya, di dalam angpaunya. Okay, so this is from class dojo. I'm going to choose integrity class. Kita mulai dengan kelas tinggi. Okay, these are the students from integrity class. I'm going to choose random ya. Sir pilih random ya. I'm gonna click random. Siapa ya? Okay, Arga. Arga, let me see if I can find your name. I cannot find your name, Arga. Can you chat and tell me the challenge? Miss dari Miss siapa challenge-nya? I cannot find your name, Arga. Maybe your class is integrity. Let me find integrity. Di sini ada banyak ya integrity ya. Bang John di sini, Sinsin, Yue, Asahi, Girgir, Iqbal, Valerie, Gabby, Jessica, Nadine, Valentina, Defta, but no Arga ya. Jadi kalau tidak ada Arga, ya udah, we're gonna spin the wheel again from here. Okay, get ready to do the teacher's challenge. Oh, Miss Desi hairdo. Okay. So let's watch a video from Miss Desi. She's gonna teach us for the girls how to make a hairdo. Okay, let me open her video. Just give me 2 seconds. There's gonna be more challenges, okay, kids? So please be patient.
Kids, my name is Miss Desi.
Okay, this is the video. We're gonna play maybe like 1 minute. Okay, not too long.
Kids, my name is Miss Desi. I wanna show you how to do hairdo. Okay, are you ready, kids? Check it out.
Okay, so thank you, Miss Desi. We're gonna move on. We're gonna move on to the next class. Okay, let's see. We're gonna go to grade 6. Let's choose Milky Way. Okay, I'm going to choose a student. I hope you are in morning assembly so you can read your Indy. Indy, let's see. Are you here, Indy? Indra and Cindy. Okay, this is Milky Way, yeah, Milky Way. From Milky Way, we have Rehan, Ruth, Nico, and Gracia, Alexandra. Okay, Indy is not here. So what does that mean? Yeah, it means we have to spin the wheel for the others. Okay, Miss Eza, she will encourage you with some positive words. Please listen. to Miss Eza. Okay.
大家好，水生，我是 Eza 老师。This is word of Mandarin. 学无止境，好导劳，学导劳。So we learn without limit. We live until we get old, and we learn until we get old also. 再见。
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Miss Eza. Miss Eza can speak multiple languages. She's like a trilingual. And she can speak Bahasa, she can speak English, she can speak Chinese, Mandarin. Okay, so thank you. All right, let's go back to grade 6. Okay, now elliptical. I hope we can find a student that joined morning assembly. Yeah? Elliptical. Random. Kaka, are you here? Let me see. We are 0 for 2 for students being in morning assembly. Are you here, Kaka? Elliptical.
I think no, sir.
Elliptical. I only see Timothy, Daniel, and Azarel for elliptical. Yeah, that's why we must join morning assembly. So you know what that means. We're gonna do the wheel of names once again. Okay, Miss Ruth playing guitar.
你好，
你好，学生，我叫 Miss Ruth。
我叫 Miss Priska, and then we will sing Mandarin song together. Okay, let's sing together. 每个人只想想，每个人在转里，建立第二句话，就算恭喜光。
Okay, nggak berhasil ya. Let me see. Stop sharing. Let me see if I can see Miss Ruth video.
你好。
All right, hope you can hear it and see the video. Enjoy.
你好，
你好，学生，我叫 Miss Ruth。
我叫 Miss Priska, and then we will sing Mandarin song together. Okay, let's sing together. 每个人只想想，每个人在转里，建立第二句话，就算恭喜恭喜，恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀，恭喜恭喜恭喜你，恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀，恭喜恭喜你，好好比虽然这眼看梅花突然，为难在春风，照耀全色大地。
Okay, I'm gonna stop it there. So talented, yeah, Miss Ruth and Miss Priska. I didn't know you can play guitar, Miss Ruth. Yeah. So if you are Miss Priska student or Miss Ruth student, you can ask Miss Priska to sing, or you can ask Miss Ruth to play guitar. Awesome. Okay, let's continue on. That's already 3 challenges. Let's do 2 more and then we're finished, okay? Okay, let's do grade 5. Pluto class. We are 0 for 3. Students not joining morning assembly. Oh, Kaizan. Kaizan join? Maybe, maybe not. Let's do another one. Jonathan. Okay, let's see if Kaizan and Jonathan is here. You can take out your envelope and read it. Pluto, we have Jonathan is here. Finally, Kaizan is here. No, finally, we have Jonathan. Jonathan, can you unmute yourself, please, and read the what's in your envelope? Jonathan, unmute. Jonathan, I already give you option to unmute. Jonathan, Jojoya from Pluto, please read what's inside your envelope. Atau Jonathan itu Jesaya ya? Unmute please. Okay, going once. Going twice. Tetot. You know what that means? I have to use the wheel of names. I didn't remove Miss Desi. Yeah? Remove. Let's remove her. Okay, next. Why, Mr. Danny? Okay, Mr. Danny, yeah. Okay. What does that say? Juggling, yes. Can you see the tennis balls? Can you see the tennis balls? Yeah. So I have to juggle. I'm gonna juggle, okay? One. There you go. I can only juggle one. No, just kidding. I can juggle two balls. Okay, watch this. Okay, 2 balls. Okay, you want me to go 3 balls? Who say I can do 3 balls? Siapa yang bilang bisa, sir, bisa 3 bola? Yes, Ken? Okay, watch this. Okay. Okay, and then the last, this is Miss Monica phone. I'm going to juggle, okay? Ready? No, just kidding, yeah, just kidding. Okay, and then the last challenge, let's do what class? Neptune. This is the last challenge. I hope our student Vincent is here. Vincent from Neptune class. Vincent, Aurora, Vincent, Neptune, Vincent, Sinaga. Okay, he's here, Okay. Neptune, Vincent, please unmute. You can read me what's inside.
Okay. Challenge for Lausha Sally. Sing Happy New Year song in Mandarin. Never doubt yourself, it will only hold you back.
Okay, Lausha, are you here? Lausha, I'm going to unmute. Lausha, go ahead. You can unmute. Yes, Lausha Sally.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Lausha, this is the last challenge. The time is yours.
Yes. 大家好，我是莎莉老师。今天我要唱一首歌，saya mau menyanyikan sebuah lagu, judulnya 新年好。新年好呀，新年好呀，祝贺大家新年好。我们唱歌，我们跳舞，祝贺大家新年好。新年好呀，新年好呀，祝贺大家新年好。我们唱歌，我们跳舞，祝贺大家新年好。 谢谢，新年快乐，
Thank you, Laosha, Sally. 谢谢。
不客
Okay.
气。
That is all for the challenges today. We will continue tomorrow. Everybody clap your hands. So much fun. So much fun. Tomorrow, don't forget to bring your ang pao. And then don't forget to join morning assembly. And then we're going to choose your name from the class dojo, starting from grade 5, ya, grade 5. Tadi belum semua ya, Pluto, Neptune. And then we're going to go to grade 4, okay? And then we're going to continue on Wednesday. So thank you so much. Ciao, ni hao ma, wo han hao. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. 谢谢，恭喜发财。
再见。